So today we've got these from Amazon. These are a Monster Zap monster trucks, and straight off the bat it says it's friction powered, so it needs no batteries. And you see it's got suspension, and there's all these different colours you can get. Now, you've heard me talk about them enough. Let's see what they can do. Now, thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and make sure you comment which one you like the most, green or blue. And there'll be a link down below to where you can get these cars.